Welcome. Today I'm showing how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from Power Key into a Xiaomi Pad 5. First of all, open your settings and find additional settings, this one. Then here, go into Gensler and Shortcuts. Go back, Gensler and Shortcuts. And here, first option in the list will be Launch Google Assistant. Tap it and click here on the switcher to activate this option. And if you see like blue color on the switcher, you've got activate these options. So if you press one more time this position in switcher, it's turn off this option. So activate, and let's try press and hold, and how you can see our Google Assistant is activated. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.